Hey folks, welcome to week 7 of online AP Stats. This week, let's talk about two things, the Chapter 9 retake and the Chapter 10 test. They both are going to have some options for you if you are interested in partaking in them, so let's talk about it. This Chapter 9 test, the initial deadline, again, was Thursday, the 27th, where a handful of people did take the test. Some wrapped up on Friday, but I also have some not wrapping up until Tuesday, the 4th, which means the retake is going to have a really, really short window. I am okay if you are interested in retaking multiple choice, free response, both of them or just one of the other. You can choose which parts of that you want to retake. And I'm going to give you the option of when to retake. You can either retake on our scheduled time, which would be the 6th, the March the 6th during one of those WIN sessions to do the retake, or you could do the following week. Now, the following week is a little unique because on that Thursday, it is a digital learning day for non 10th and 11th graders, as the 10th and 11th graders will be coming to school to take the ACT or the PSAT. So that is a testing day. So what we're going to have here for this week is traditional, block, WIN, and then traditional. So if you do not feel prepared to retake your Chapter 9 test on Thursday the 6th, you could come into the WIN session the following week, which is Wednesday the 12th. And I am okay with that. Now, the only thing I would caution you on that is look at Wednesday the 12th also has the Chapter 10 deadline. So I'm going to give you two options for the Chapter 10. Most of you, if you're on pace, might just want to get that done and do the Chapter 10 test during your WIN session. This is going to be just one WIN session that I'm giving you. About 45 to 50 minutes is enough time for that test. If you're not feeling prepared for that, I will give you the option of taking it on Friday the 14th during your SPP. I'm guessing most people are going to defer it until Friday the 14th, which I'm fine with, and especially if you're planning on deferring the retake. So in terms of the Chapter 9 retake, it is your job to reach out to me on that retake. But for the Chapter 10 test, I will probably reach out to each one of you and asking you, when do you want to take it? Should I be locking you into a WIN session on Wednesday, or are you going to be taking it during your SPP on that Friday the 14th? The other thing I want to mention is Chapter 10 itself. Chapter 10, the nice thing about it is it's really just a combination of Chapter 8 and Chapter 9. Chapter 10 is going to be two sections. It's shorter, obviously. Section 1 is about proportions of confidence intervals and tests. Section 2 is the means of confidence intervals and tests. So it just brings it all together. The only twist is instead of one sample, they are now going to compare two samples. So that's the only difference. If you understand how confidence and intervals are written, they are written exactly the same way. The only difference is when you do we have our state, plan, do, and conclude portion. On that state portion, when you check your conditions, because you have two samples, you must check the conditions for each sample. So you do random, independence, and normalcy for sample 1 and for sample 2. So you're going to have 6 different things in that plan portion that you're going to be doing. Other than that, it's exactly similar to Chapters 8 and Chapter 9. So hopefully you feel a little less stress on kind of learning that material. That is really it, but do keep in mind, we're wrapping this stuff up. We do have another deadline before spring break on the mid-chapter deadline on Chapter 11. So kind of lots coming up in these next 2 or 3 weeks here. Let me know how I can help you out as you are doing your learning and getting ready for that spring break coming up here soon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.